2025 Vogue DS800X Rally Review. Budget adventure bike or Ténéré pretender? Chinese brands have been shaking things up in the bike world, and Vogue's latest release, the DS800X Rally, is aiming straight at the middleweight adventure bike market. With a price tag of just £7,199 OTR, it's hard not to raise an eyebrow. That's around £3,000 cheaper than Yamaha's Ténéré 700, a bike that's already proven itself off-road. So, the question is, can the DS800X really hold its own, or is it just a cheaper imitation? First impressions. On paper, the DS800X looks impressive. It's got the rugged adventure styling you'd expect. Tall stance, long travel suspension, 21-inch front wheel, bash plate, engine guards, spotlights, heated grips, even a dash cam as standard. At a glance, it definitely gives off Ténéré vibes, and if you're shopping by looks and specs alone, Vogue has nailed the brief. Suspension and handling. The bike runs on KYB suspension, 43mm fully adjustable forks up front, 200mm travel, and a similarly adjustable rear shock, 190mm. On the road, it feels firm but comfortable, and it can happily soak up bumps and rough surfaces without rattling your teeth out. When pushed hard, it's stable and agile enough to flick side to side. Take it off the tarmac, and it doesn't panic. The double cradle frame feels solid, ground clearance is a respectable 220mm, and standing up on the pegs feels natural. It's not a hardcore dirt bike, but for green landing or mixed touring, it works well. A built-in steering damper also adds confidence when things get bumpy. Brakes and electronics. The brakes are solid. 4-pot Nissin calipers up front with twin discs give plenty of stopping power. ABS is standard, and you can disable it fully with a button, although you can't switch just the rear off, which some riders will miss. Electronics are where the DS800X falls behind rivals. The traction control is clunky, too intrusive in normal mode and still cuts in unnecessarily in sport. Luckily, you can turn it off. The TFT dash looks smart enough, but to access deeper settings, you need to pair your phone with Vogue's Carbit Ride app, a bit fiddly compared to rivals with simpler systems. Engine and performance. At the heart is a new 798 cubic centimeters parallel twin with a 270 degrees crank, making 92.5 brake horsepower and 60 pound-ft of torque. On paper, that's more powerful than Yamaha comfort and equipment. Where the DS800X shines is kit. Out of the box you get heated grips and heated rider seat, spotlights and engine guards, center stand and bash plate, 7-inch TFT dash with smartphone connectivity, integrated dash cam,